Good, na- Good night. My name is Jesse Fernando Beltran Lopez. I live in the city of Facatativá. I am 40 years old. I am Colombian. I live with my wife and my two children, the 7 and 8 years. When I love with all my heart. I am currently pursuing here education to graduate as a business administration, and I am in 7th semester. The thing I like to do I read, watch research and development programs, do some sport such as soccer and play with my children and have a playtime with my wife. I do like to do is watch novels, read programs on topics related to situations we are thinking I not writing. This trip to Santa Marta with my wife and children. It's long but very cool and trip for everyone. We left home for Santa Marta to see the sun. We never forget that trip, unique and spectacular moment for everyone. Saying for a moment that the sun and the earth were united in the ocean paid for the trip. Entering the sea, jumping, hugging, screaming, and flying all service with sad and sometimes not forget. We meet new place, big boat, small boat, dolphin, beautiful sunset, and especially with my wife and children. We are going to travel to San Andres Island, the Sea of Seven Colors, a beautiful and spectacular island. This trip we do as family where we can escape the routine. Extreme family, teas and course now, this beautiful country but scaled Colombia. Thank you.